In this video, you'll learn how to create a username on Phantom Wallet. By the end of this tutorial, you will have successfully set up a unique identifier for your wallet account. First, open the Phantom application on your device. Ensure that you have a stable internet connection, as this will help with any necessary updates or features loading correctly. Once the app is open, unlock your wallet using your preferred method, such as your password or biometric authentication. This step is crucial for accessing your account settings. After unlocking, look towards the top corner of the screen where you will see your profile icon. Tap on this icon to access your account options. Next, in the menu that appears, find and tap on the option labeled Settings. This will direct you to various configurations related to your wallet. Within the Settings menu, locate and tap on the Username section. This is where you will be able to create and manage your username for the Phantom Wallet. Now, type in the username you desire in the provided text field. Make sure to choose a name that is unique and reflects your identity, as this will be visible to others. If the username you selected is available, a confirmation prompt will appear. Follow the instructions to confirm your new username. If it is not available, you will need to try a different one. Once you have confirmed your username, you can navigate back to the main settings or close the app. Your new username will now be associated with your Phantom Wallet. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.